Can I use my own car insurance for rentals? If you're about to rent a car and are wondering if your own car insurance will cover you, you're not alone. Let's break it down to make things clearer. First, if you have a personal auto insurance policy, it's likely that it will cover you when you're driving a rental car, but there are some specifics to consider. Your liability coverage, which protects you if you cause damage or injuries to others, usually applies to rental cars as well. So, if you're comfortable with the liability coverage you have on your personal policy, you're already covered in this aspect. Next, let's talk about comprehensive and collision coverage. If your personal auto policy includes these, they will generally extend to your rental car. This means if the rental car is damaged, stolen, or totaled, your comprehensive and collision coverage will kick in, subject to your policy's deductible. However, there are a few exceptions to keep in mind. If you're renting a car for a long period or for business purposes, your personal auto policy might not cover you. In such cases, you may need to add the rental car to your policy or purchase additional coverage from the rental company. Another important aspect is the loss damage waiver, LDW, or collision damage waiver, CDW, offered by rental companies. This waiver relieves you of financial responsibility for damage to the rental car. If you don't have comprehensive and collision coverage on your personal policy, or if you're renting a luxury vehicle that your insurer won't cover, you might want to consider purchasing this waiver. Personal effects coverage is another option you might be offered. However, if you have a homeowner's, renter's, or condo policy, your personal belongings are likely already covered if they're stolen from the rental car. If you're traveling abroad, things get a bit more complicated. Most personal auto policies do not cover rentals outside the US and Canada. In such cases, you may need to purchase additional coverage from the rental company or check if your credit card provides any international rental car insurance benefits. To summarize, your own car insurance can indeed cover rental cars, but it's essential to check the specifics of your policy. Make sure you have comprehensive and collision coverage and be aware of any limitations, especially for long-term rentals or business use. Always double-check with your insurance provider before declining the rental company's insurance options. This way, you'll be well prepared and protected on the road.